Hi guys, good morning. Just want to give you a quick market update from yesterday. So yesterday, as you guys know, I'm a big fan of the weekly open, which uh, which is in the NQ is this level right here, 370. This was a huge miss by me yesterday because we opened right at 379, and the ES opened right at 4510, which was our pivot for the day. So, given the confluence, again, big miss on my part because even though I was not doing live stream yesterday, it was a big opportunity missed, and we got all the way down here to the area that I talked about, in which we went long uh, around 1026. So the 1030 candle will have been this one right here, 44.85, and the alert is there in the channel to prove it. And the target was 10, and we exceeded that target. So if you traded that, congratulations. As you know, there's a little bit of divergence between the ES and the NQ. So we have to take what the market gives us, okay? So the alert that triggered from here in the ES, if you take a look at our daily plans, obviously on the daily plan yesterday, uh, below pivot, which was 4110, which we opened right here, we got all the way to 85, which was our target number two below pivot. And from 85, we took a long all the way up to 10 again. So if you think about it, was just a round trip trade that it could have been, 50 points for anybody that took it. Again, the process is there, fully documented. So my failure was not to get short here, and I do miss those opportunities from time to time. But obviously, nobody can expect you to take the whole entire range of the market, if you will. So let's transition back to the NQ. The NQ pretty simple. Same scenario here, below 70. That was the weekly open, and it got all the way down to 218. 218. I had a naked 30-minute POC at 218, and that was the long trade that triggered from there, and the 218 happened to be a T3. So the confluence between EST2 and NQT3 is what triggered the long trade yesterday. We attempted to go long here. Let me put this here, and let's just go in 5 minutes. We attempted to go long at 276 here, around 10. I want to say it was about 10. Let me see the exact time. It was a buy stop, 10:26 that I sent the alert. So 10:26 will have been right around here. So if you bought the stop from here, 76 all the way up to VWAP 96, that was 20 points. I did advise everybody to manage your stops. So hopefully some people listen. I'm going to refrain to give you guys updates on the trade because I think everybody should manage their own risk. As I manage mine and I'm focused on managing my risk, I think you should also focus on manage your own risk because my vision was that the 276 was gonna be a good trade yesterday, and in fact it was. It's just that it triggered a little later. So we attempted to go long again at 1:32 p.m., which is somewhere around here, 132, 135. There you go. That one played out perfectly because that was the trade that triggered it, and I was looking for 75 as a target, which is right here, and it got to 70, which was the weekly open. So I sent out another alert. My trade triggered at 272, and I took it at 134, and I closed it at 15367, which is like somewhere right around here, 3:51 p.m. 3:51 p.m. right here. 367. I closed that trade right there. So pretty simple. I guess it's not simple, but the setups do work, and to my advantage, if you can see here, we got all the way down here to VWAP. This is the blue line. It's a VWAP, so I got VWAP on my favor, which I didn't have VWAP on my favor over here. So that's one thing that we also have to keep in mind for those people that trade VWAP and stuff like that. So sometimes it comes very handy. But anyways, that's basically all I got from that particular setup that we discussed yesterday and the two alerts that I sent over. So hopefully you guys are learning something from that and realize that 276 was a level. At the same time, 4485 was another level of interest in the ES. So let's see what happens today, and let's have a great day. All right, you take care.